It's a distress call from the Federation colony on Agilon Prime. They're under attack. The Klingons have landed troops.
So much for the ceasefire.
The main hospital's been damaged. They're short on doctors and running low on supplies.
A hospital? What is it?
It's a big building with patients, but that's not important right now.
We shall see.
He said.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to quit amphetamines.
What are you doing?
Across the universe.
On the Starship Enterprise, under Captain Kirk.
What the hell? Children are not allowed on the bridge.
Captain, do you mind if Jimmy here takes a look around?
Oh, of course not, Mary. Come on in, Jimmy. Hi there.
Thanks. Boy, there's a lot of neat stuff in here.
Well, this is really the nerve center of the whole ship. You ever been in a cockpit before?
No, sir, I've never been up in a plane before.
You ever seen a grown man naked?
2 more minutes. They could be miles off course.
That's impossible. They're on instruments.
Warning. Outer hull breach.
Sir, shall I execute evacuation sequence?
Negative, Mr. Worf. Mr. Data, your final report.
Stand by.
I can't, Mr. Data.
Warning. Inner hull failure imminent on decks 23, 24, and 25. Decompression danger.
Just kidding.
Borg attempting to lock on tractor beam.
Rotate shield frequencies. Data report.